Tux Guy, and in today's video, we are going to be, as you can see in the title, we are going to be using time. So basically, you could use time for anything, whatever. But let's get started. Let's open your IDE and open a file or make a new file, and I'm calling mine vid.py. So, we could use it to sleep. And you might say, oh no, I don't want to sleep my computer, but it actually means something else. What it actually means is basically, it's just telling the code to stop for how many seconds. So, first, what we need to do is import sleep. Oh, not sleep, time. And when you import time, time is built in, so you don't really need to do anything. You just need to put import time, so it knows that we have time. And let's add some code. Print sub2, and then print tux guy. Now, as you can see, if I want to have a pause in between, but as you can see, if I execute it, instantly, as soon as I execute it, it'll say sub2 tux guy very fastly. And what I want to do is I wanted to put a pause in between there. So basically, I'm going to put time.sleep and these two little things. I forgot what they call it, but these two little things. Now we're going to specify how long do we want to sleep or pause the code. And I want to do 1 second. So if I do it, sub2, 1 second later, the tux guy. You could also say, like, a program can be like print. I will say hi in 1 minute. I spelled minute wrong, but it'll put time.sleep. And since a minute is 60 seconds, we're going to put in 60. And print hi. Oh, I forgot to put this. And as I will say hi in 1 minute, so let's wait a whole minute. Okay. As you can see, the cursor is no longer blinking. I think it's because it says, yeah, sleep, pause the code, pause everything, sleep. So, as you can see, everything still works. Oh, never mind. It's just because I wasn't in the terminal. But, let's wait. Oh, I am blinking again. So, when are you gonna? Jeez, 1 minute feels like. There we go. 1 minute feels way longer than you think. But as you can see, it said hi. So you could do this and implement it to anything. Like there's gonna be a big reveal. Oh, put asleep for 1 second or 5 seconds or whatever. But that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye.